Hi, minasan konnichiwa. Hello, everybody. This is Krishna. I would like to tell you about how to remember the hiragana very easily. There are some 46 characters in hiragana, out of which the structures are similar to each other. There are some characters which the structures are similar to each other. Let's start the hiragana with the similar structures. There are five vowels, as you know: a, I, U, E, O. And the sounds are ka, sa, ta, na, ha, ma, ya, ra, wa, and n. So this is not a sound, it's a sound of a nose. Like you close your mouth and say so it becomes this sound. Right? See, if you go one by one to each and every character, it's going to be really hard, really tough job. So you need to be slightly lazy and find a tricky and logical way to remember this. Now let's go for the similar characters one by one. It's like E. It's a line with a hook and a small line, smaller than the first one, right? And we have Ri, the second line being slightly longer. So E and Ri are similar, with second line being slightly longer. And in Ri, if you put a line in the middle, it will become K. Now from K, at the end, if you make a circle, then it's going to be Ha. And out of Ha, if you put one more line on top, it's going to be Ho. So, concluding this, we have five characters which are similar in character, similar in structure. Right? So it's an E. The second line being longer, it's Re. On top of Re, if you have a line, it's a K. And on K, if you make a circle below, it's going to be Ha. And in Ha, if you have one more, this is Ha, you have one more line on top of Ha, it's going to be Ho. Now from Ho, you remove the hooky part and you make one more like kind of a cap or like a line on top of Ho. It's going to be Ma. Okay? So we have 6 characters that is pretty much similar to each other. So it's going to be very, very, very simple. Now, coming to another letter. You know English character. English character C. Right? Now we have, so you see the T. You find a C here, the English C. Right? Now this is a letter with line on top of this, C with line on top. It's T. And now it's again C with line at some 80 degree, right? It's not perpendicular, but like similar C, line on top, it's To. Now we have an English character Z for zebra and C for cat, zebra and cat. It makes so. So concluding this, Te, To and So are similar in structure. Now, coming to another letter, that's Ku. See, Ku is very simple. This is one stroke letter, Ku. And He are more similar. So, Ku is like this and He is like this. So, the structures are like pretty much similar. Now, next one is To. Ko. Ko is like English is equals to, with the second line being longer and kind of hooky part on top. It's Ko. Now we have English letter T. This is T. Well, kind of structure slightly slanted with Ko, the smaller Ko. That's a Ta. And this is Ko. So you will find Ko, letter Ko inside Ta. Half part of Ta is Ko. And in a similar way, you have Ni. Since we did the hooky structure is Ni. Right, so it's in Ni, we have a hooky line, and then we have Ko. So Ta, Ko, and Ni. 3 letters are similar, simplified, okay? Now, we have English cross multiplication sign, just like this. And we have cross multiplication sign here in the letter Sa. And I put a line below there, it's going to be Sa. Okay, now if you add one more line, with the second line being longer, then it's going to be Ki. So you find sa and ki. Similar in structure with one more additional line with some geometric proportion of the second line, this line being longer. Okay? And now we have another letter that is shi. So we have English letter L. Okay? L. Now this line being slightly curved looks like shi. So English L slightly curved. Now you put is equals to sign over shi. It's going to be mo. Shi and mo. Are similar. Very simple. Like you need to work hard. Okay? One after another. Pretty much simple. Okay? Now another is you have a ru. You write English 3. You make a circle. It's ru. And you just write English 3. And it's ro. Okay? Ru and ro is very, very simple. Right. So both of them are one stop letter. Now we have ne, re, and wa. Ne, re, and wa. The initial structure, the first half of ne, re, wa are similar. So you first make wa, and out of wa you make a circle at the end with tail backside. That's going to be ne, right? So ne has wa inside that, and at this point of the wa, you put a line behind. That's going to be re. Okay, so now you find you have completed almost half of the letters. Now you know the English sign called plus, as the plus sign, right? So for Su, first you need to draw plus, and at the end, don't put the pen back. Just spin, make a circle at the below. It's going to be Su. Plus, make a circle itself. It's Su. Now you have mu. Mu is also very much simple. So you write Su first. You are reading Su. At this point, don't put the pen back. Make a tail backside. And put a dot. Okay? That's going to be mu. And Su and mu are similar. Right? Okay. Now you see Su. Su is a very simple word. I guess this is one stroke. Kind of, you know the word called tsunami, right? So tsunami, the wave is going to be like this. So it's something like wave. And well, this length being smaller and line on top is going to be u. So what I'm trying to say is su and u is similar with some structural difference. And you have English letter 7. You check A, the letter A, you find 7. Okay, you know some structure, you find English 7, right? Or 7 and line on top, and you tell it is A. Is A. Okay, now you have me. Me is something like you may find it difficult. Line from left to right, and from right side, drop line down, make a circle, and come back. It's going to be me. Me. Okay. Now at this point, put a circle backside. Okay. It's going to be nu. Me and nu are similar. Now from nu, you can get a. Okay? You cannot get a, but like the core structure of the internal content is similar. So for a, you need an English T. English T. And on the right side of a T, drop a line, come down, make a circle, and encircle itself. It's going to be a. That's very simple. Okay? Right, so these are the structures that are similar to each other. And, we have one more. There is an English sign called H. Okay? H, so if you see O, you'll find H, C cutting the tail of the H, and this is the soldier on the edge. So it's going to be edge with C and line and curve, right? So it's O, 3 strokes. And this is like English, like slanted edge with tail. So this both of O and contains H letter. If you see properly, right? And you see ta and na, the initial structure, the first half is same. It's very similar and very easy. Now there. So right. So I forgot to tell about chi. Chi is like plus, and you have C. English C, reverse side. Okay, the reverse side is see. This is chi. Right. So hiragana is very, very easy. Somebody say that the letters are flying. Somebody says that the letters, I don't understand. Right? It's very simple. Okay? And right, those people who are good at art and calligraphy, they may find it more easier because moreover this look like a picture, and the initial Japanese letters in early days were written by a brush, and they still use that. Right, so if you're good at art and if you're good at drawing, hiragana should be very, very, very simple for you. So, right, concluding this, hiragana is a very simple character. Please try it. And I have, there are other structures that I have not mentioned, right? So please try it on your own. Just start from the similar characters, okay? Don't just jump into the series. Do use trick, like make strategy. You can remember it easily. Okay. With this being said, I'd like to conclude here. Thank you very much.